what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily buy crypto on Monzo. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's a step-by-step guide or process of how you can easily buy crypto with Monzo. So first is head over to uphold.com and just log into your account. You can easily create a new account if you still don't have account on Uphold. Next is you just have to deposit GBP by clicking on deposit icon. So from here, just select cash and also choose Monzo Bank as your bank account to deposit cash. From there, just navigate to crypto trading page, ensure your deposit currency is GBP, and enter the amount you wish to buy. Next is just confirm your purchase, review the details, finalize your order, and your crypto will appear in your Uphold wallet. So this is the only way or process in which we can buy crypto with Monzo. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!